Hey guys, on today's episode I'll be doing a unboxing of the 1 Second Closer parts that I just got. This just came in the mail today. So let's break it open. Let's see what we got here. Very cool packaging. Looks like a chapter ring. This is their gold chapter ring. Gold bezel. Gold crown. Sure you guys can see a pattern of this. This is going to be a gold build that I'm going to use. Click spring. Looks like the crystal gasket. The case back, which I really like because it's gold as well. And this should be the main event. This is the gold case. Let's see if I can open this. Pretty awesome. He gives you one of these cards. And what's cool is this, I ordered this like last week. A lot of people were saying this takes like 3 weeks. They're slow shipping. I got this in about a week, which was very, very surprising. I'm off today from work, and I go to check the mail, and I see this was in the mail. Pretty cool. Another packaging. Yeah, check that out, guys. That looks simply stunning. I was gonna do a bronze SKX by Himmdler, but I decided, I didn't really like the way it was, so I decided to make my own gold case. So I went with the 1 Second Closer. I think it's like an IP gold. I think this looks great. And I really like how it's a matte finish as well. Not really fan of polished, so I was really glad that they made this version here. It's gonna be a stunner. With this mod, I'm gonna be doing it. Well, it's like gonna be like an SKX, but with gold. So I'm gonna be doing the original SKX dial, NH36 movement, and I think this one here I'll actually put a video of me building. Pretty awesome. My Damascus knife that my coworker gave me. Pretty cool. You guys were wondering what it was. These are packaged pretty well. Gasket, yeah, check that out, guys. A little residue from the gasket, that'll come right out. Yeah, it's cool because this is also a matte. This one doesn't come with the notch on the pack, so you're gonna have to use glue, or what I did with my Lume ceramic bezel insert chapter ring. I put some double-sided tape on the outside and just pressed it down, and holds up just fine. Give you some 3M tape as well, double-sided tape for the insert. Very well done. Twist grip bezel. This actually is my first case and parts from 1 Second Closer. So far, they look really good. It's a DIY crown and stem, which is pretty easy. So yeah, guys, keep looking, and I'll be doing a full build on this soon. Should have bought more of these. They're only $3. Like everything here, I think was around $180 ship. It wasn't bad at all. Alright guys, just give me a quick look at this cool unboxing that I did of this case from 1 Second Closer. It's very unique. No one else has a gold case like this. Pretty cool. Alright guys, if you're not following my Instagram, you can follow my Instagram as the Timekeeper IG. If you're not please follow. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the little bell icon to be notified on my next video. Alright guys, see you next video. Have a wonderful day.